Welcome to Ceph Studio tutorial videos. In this video, I will show you how to deactivate a computer running Ceph Studio so that you can then install it onto a new computer. I'm sitting on a computer that has Ceph Studio registered and running. You can see I have a blank new patient file here. If I'm going to retire this computer, or maybe we're just bringing in another computer and we don't want to run Ceph Studio on it, or we just want to install Ceph Studio on another machine and deactivate this one. That's basically the idea here. We're going to deactivate this computer so that that frees the license so we can move it to any other computer we wish. To start with, you're going to click on the Ceph Studio menu and go to License Info. Right here, there's a button to deactivate. I'm going to click this button and then it's going to confirm. Are you sure you wish to deactivate? Once you click yes, that will send our licensing department the request to deactivate your computer, and that will immediately stop Ceph Studio from running on your computer. When you deactivate the computer, that does free your license to then be installed onto another computer. But keep in mind, when you install the license on the other computer, it can take up to 24 hours for the new computer to be registered and working. You want to make sure and deactivate this computer and activate the new computer when you can have some downtime, because it could take 24 hours at the longest. So maybe you need to use the program on a new computer tomorrow. Well, the night before, you should do the deactivation and register the new computer so that over the night, our licensing department can deactivate the old and activate the new in its place. So I'm just going to say no because I don't want to deactivate it on mine. But once again, to do the deactivation is very simple. Go to any computer with Ceph Studio installed, open up Ceph Studio, click on the Ceph Studio menu and go to License Info, and right there is a deactivate button. Once you deactivate a machine, that frees the license so you can install on another machine. You can use the emails we originally sent you for installation, and also if you need help with installing on a new machine, there's a tutorial video on our website walking you through installing Ceph Studio on a new computer. Thank you and take care.